Okay guys, here is an update. Here's our deck. It's still going to be taken down. We still have some work out here to do. We're going to come in here. So if you guys remember, at first there was a bathroom here, a closet, another closet, and you have to walk around to see into the living room. Well, they opened that up while I wasn't here. And so the foyer is kind of now a part of the living room there. And remember last time we had it piled up with flooring that we had ripped up. So there's that. Now when you come through here, they closed it off. So now there's only one way to the living room through that way. You can't come around here, which I guess would make sense since they took out the other one. The other wall. Let me turn this on. Okay, so this is the purple room. We did our best with magic erasers in here. We got most of it off the wall. There's still some left behind, but they are working on patching so that way we can paint in here. So that's where we are in this room. I really like that window, the way that's shaped. Okay, then we're gonna come in here, and this is the main bathroom. Okay, so we got our tub in, and they're working on the plumbing right now. We found out that we have to repipe the whole house, so they've been doing that, and it's a slow process, but it's coming along. So we are still repairing in here, but the floor's done or repaired, so that's good. Okay, you come through here, and this is the other bedroom. Remember, oh, where's the light? Is there no light? Hold on. Maybe it's, let me pull the string. Ah, here we go. Remember, there was a doorway there to go into the sunroom slash bedroom for Lily and Sophia. Well, he's closed that in. So now it's going to be a one entry bedroom. Okay. And then you come around here. And we have the living room. Remember, there used to be a hole where the fireplace was. They closed that in. And we got the drywall up. And remember, this was kind of more closed. Well, he took all of that down and took the cabinets out right there. And just to open it up some. And when you come into here, there's Joe. Hi, Joe. The dining room. Remember, we had an island here. We're gonna put an island back when after we're done putting the flooring in. But this is the formal dining room, and we bought new ceiling fans, so we're gonna put those in. And we have all the cabinets ripped out. The electrical needs to be fixed. We're waiting for the electrician to come out. This is our cabinet situation here for right now until we get that done. So yeah, right, we come through here. These are the old cabinets, so we're not sure yet. I think we're gonna get new cabinets. If we do, these will either get trashed or moved upstairs to the apartment. There was really no change here in the office. Pretty much same situation. We ripped up all the flooring, and we're gonna paint in here. I'm gonna leave the paneling and just paint over it for now. So we'll worry about that later. And the light just went out. That just was weird. Okay, it's haunted. All right, this is the master bedroom. So if you guys remember, there was these crazy looking trim, I don't know what they were called, on the wall. Joe took them off and patched up the drywall. And what? Did you hang drywall in here? Oh, that's why it looks so different. He hung drywall in here. Okay. But yeah, so looks like he still has to cut out the thing for the windows. But yep. Alright, so we're coming down here, and he I guess drywalled the hall, or it might have already been like that. Okay, it was. Alright, let's see. This is the master bathroom. So we got the tub in, and they're working on that right now. There's your hammer. And they're working on, remember we were moving the toilet and extending the vanity, so I guess our plumber has already installed the pipes for the new vanity and is working on moving the plumbing for the toilet over there. And let's see, take you out here. Okay, this is our utility room slash our tool room for right now until we get done and can move the tools to the garage. Is there a light in here? There's no light in here yet, is there? Okay, you guys probably can't see in here yet, but what does this little thing do? Nothing. Okay, sorry. All right, so you can't really see in here right now, but this is the sunroom slash the girls' room. It's actually one of like the biggest rooms, the biggest bedrooms. All right, so here is our storage room, and we have more wood that we're going to reclaim here. These are all the doors we took off in the house. We may or may not be reusing some of them. Hey, I found this really cool cabinet in here. I want Joe to figure out how to copy this door, because if you look, I want it in my office because it's got these shelves on it, and then like they have these cabinets that go in, like they have shelves all the way down, and then there's more shelves behind that. How cool is that? And then it was just missing a couple of doors, so like he's gonna have to figure out how to copy and make them again look. Isn't that cool? So he's like, you don't want that ugly thing. I'm like, yes, I do. So hopefully he can figure out how to fix that. All right, let's see. All right, I don't know where the light is in here. I know there is one, but I have yet to find it. I don't know. All right, this is the garage area. Nothing has changed upstairs, so I'm not going to bother showing anything upstairs, but the huge heap of trash that we had on the back deck is gone now. So this is the plumbing that they pulled up, and so yeah, now you can see how big the deck is. Before we had all that trash sitting up there, and you can see this is why we have to rip up the deck, because they made the deck flush with the door, which is so stupid. Now it holds water, and it rotted the door frame, so they're gonna have to take that out and rip up the deck too, or at least get rid of this section here to make it make sense. Anyway, I really don't want to get rid of the whole deck. I mean, it looks like this really could be something if they just fix it. There's a couple of like posts missing, but not a lot, you know. I really think it can be salvaged, and I really like that it's spacious, and it has like a stage area right here, which is kind of cute. Would be really good for birthday parties. So and then we had a family that was out here helping us out, and they cleared along with our kids. I know you're having a hard time seeing, but they cleared a huge piece of the property for us. How cool is that? And they burnt a lot of the wood that we were gonna toss out, because we have to pay for that dumpster. So whatever we can burn is better, and we don't have a no burn policy out here, so we're good. But yeah, that's it so far. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Woo woo.